That's in reverse for a reason, so it can circulate the air. Oh, that's not a big deal though. Go over here. Ignore the messy basement. Still got to clean down here. You notice the blades are still in bad shape on this. I still need to sand these down and paint them. So that's what I need to do with the curb and breeze there. This needs to be restored as well, but it still looks pretty. It looks still halfway decent, so I'm just gonna leave it. And let's go into the workshop. This is clicking because I don't know what's going on with this view fan, but it's clicking. So, and I need to figure it out. And it's not the light kit. As you can see, it's not the light kit. I think it might be something up there, if I had to guess. I think it's something with the motor, of course. But yeah, that's something to fix. Yeah, that's that.